Some fruits do more than feed, they tell stories of forests, wildlife, and human ingenuity. The kapok fruit is one such marvel, a tropical giant whose fluffy interior and towering trees have shaped ecosystems, cultures, and industries across Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Americas. The kapok fruit comes from the kapok tree, scientifically known as Kyber pentandra, one of the tallest and most iconic trees in the tropical world. Native to Central and South America, West Africa, and parts of Southeast Asia, the kapok tree has long been a symbol of strength, life, and ecological abundance. Its fruit, while less known in the culinary world, is a fascinating combination of biology, culture, and practical human use. The kapok tree itself is colossal. Some specimens reach over 60 meters, nearly 200 feet, in height, with massive buttressed trunks that support its enormous canopy. These giants dominate tropical forests, providing shade, habitat, and food for countless species. When mature, the trees produce large, oval capsules, each about 20 to 30 centimeters long, covered with a thick, woody rind. Inside, the capsule is stuffed with thousands of seeds, each surrounded by a soft, fluffy fiber known as kapok, which has historically been used for stuffing mattresses, cushions, life jackets, and even insulation in tropical dwellings. The flesh surrounding the seeds is minimal, dry, and not typically eaten like conventional fruits, but its ecological role is vital. As the capsules ripen and split open, the lightweight fibers help disperse the seeds far from the parent tree, carried by wind to new growing sites. This remarkable adaptation ensures the proliferation of one of the forest's most significant species. Kapok trees bloom spectacularly with fragrant, pink or white flowers that attract bats, bees, and birds. These pollinators are essential for fruit development, and in many tropical regions, the tree is considered a keystone species. Wildlife often relies on the kapok tree for food, shelter, and nesting sites. Some monkeys, squirrels, and birds feed on the seeds, flowers, or the nectar, while bats facilitate pollination, weaving a delicate balance between flora and fauna. Beyond ecology, kapok has immense cultural and economic significance. Indigenous peoples in Africa, the Americas, and Asia have long utilized the tree's fibers and seeds. While the seed oil is sometimes extracted for cooking or soap production, the fluff has found global industrial use, particularly in the 19th and 20th centuries for pillows, mattresses, life vests, and as insulation material. Its buoyancy and lightweight nature made it an indispensable resource before synthetic fibers became widespread. Nutritionally, kapok seeds contain oils rich in unsaturated fatty acids and proteins, making them potentially valuable in local diets or traditional remedies. However, raw seeds contain toxic compounds and must be processed carefully. Despite this, the fruit's role in human life has been primarily functional rather than gastronomic. Its value lies in fibers, oil, and ecological contributions rather than direct consumption. Botanically, the kapok tree is a marvel of adaptation. Its massive trunk, often coated with spines in youth, supports a canopy that regulates humidity, shades the forest floor, and enriches the soil with leaf litter. Its flowers and fruit capsules follow seasonal patterns that tie into local climatic rhythms, demonstrating the intricate interplay between plant life and environmental cycles. The kapok's sheer size and productivity mean that each fruit capsule can contain hundreds of seeds, each capable of establishing a new forest giant. In many cultures, the kapok tree carries symbolic meaning. It is revered as sacred in West African folklore, associated with spirits and ancestors, and often used as a meeting place for community gatherings. In Central and South America, it has been recognized as a tree of life, embodying resilience, growth, and sustenance. The very fiber of its fruit, light as air yet strong, mirrors the delicate balance between fragility and strength in tropical ecosystems. Finally, the kapok fruit is a reminder that not all fruits are meant for immediate consumption. Some feed the soil, some feed the wildlife, and some feed human imagination and industry. Its soft, cotton-like fibers whisper stories of ecological ingenuity, human resourcefulness, and the towering beauty of tropical forests. Observing a kapok capsule slowly splitting open in the sun is to witness nature's genius at work, dispersing life, spreading seeds, and sustaining forests for generations to come.